Good evening, guys. We're live at 9:05. And I have 15 spots here that I'm going to take over to random momentarily once we take a look at what we're playing for, which is this super sweet Taiwan Fett. Looking good. Pasting our 15 over there. Going to roll the dice. Got to get a 5 or better to play. As you know, we got a 5. So we're just in there. Good luck, guys. I'm going to get down to businesses. Brian takes round 1 and 2 and 3. Nate breaks the streak there of Brian by taking round 4 with lucky number 7, bringing us to the final round. Good luck, guys. Here we go, and our winner is Ryan Carlton, in at number 15. Congrats, Ryan. Here's the verification. LJWWPJ is the verification code. Ryan Carlton in at number 15 is the champ. I'm done at 9:06. As you can see right here. There it is one last time. Ryan in at number 15 is the winner. Congrats. Thanks, as always, guys. I appreciate it. See you next time. Thanks.